I just wanted to take a few minutes to explain the Beowulf character analysis essay. So your task is going to be to write an essay that analyzes either Beowulf as a hero or Grendel as a villain. Now, here's the big thing. You're only picking one character to focus on. You are not doing both. So do not write about both Beowulf as a hero and Grendel as a villain, okay? This essay is going to be worth 75 points. And you are going to write a 5-paragraph essay that includes one introduction paragraph, 3 body paragraphs, and 1 concluding paragraph. You're going to have 2 prompt options to choose from. You can choose option A, which is what is Beowulf or Grendel's 2 strongest character traits? What is the motive that drives them to be a hero or a villain? In a 5-paragraph essay, analyze either Beowulf as a hero or Grendel as a villain. Describe the 2 strongest character traits your character possesses. Then, describe what motivates your character to be the hero or villain of the story. Use textual evidence from Beowulf to support your analysis. Or you can choose option B, which is what is Beowulf or Grendel's 2 strongest character traits? How do the character traits your character possesses compare to another modern day hero or villain? In a 5-paragraph essay, analyze either Beowulf as a hero or Grendel as a villain. Describe the 2 strongest character traits your character possesses. Then, draw comparisons between your character and a modern day hero or villain. Use textual evidence from Beowulf to support your analysis. This essay is going to be due on Monday, October 1st. You are going to be planning, writing, and revising the week prior to this. I'm giving you a full week with nothing else but to just write this essay. So do not wait until the last minute to complete this assignment. Okay? If you're curious about how you'll be graded, I highly suggest that you look at the rubric that is on the assignment page. Categories that will be evaluated include structure, like the thesis and topic sentences, evidence and support, introduction, conclusion, language skills, and MLA format. So if you just click the link, it's going to give you a specific information. If you're hoping to get that A, your thesis statement needs to be advanced and in grammatical structure. The body paragraph topic sentences each link directly back to the part of the thesis and are not repetitive and grammatical structure. All body paragraphs contain properly quoted, relevant textual evidence that is formally cited in MLA style. There are full explanations and smooth transitions. The introduction grabs attention with a solid hook. It has relevant transitional information and is precise and accurate thesis statement. Concluding paragraph does its job in the superior fashion. There is a unique thesis restatement and main idea recap, as well as a clever link back to the opening hook. To get full points for language skills, sentence structure, word choice, and grammar are advanced with either no flaws or only a couple of insignificant ones. And then it flawlessly conforms to MLA formatting rules for header, and many of you missed the header, heading, catchy title, Times New Roman 12-point font, and 2.0 spacing. Okay? Now, if you have any questions getting started, there is a very helpful PowerPoint that has been put here for you. You just need to click this link right here, and it's going to take you through the 7 steps to the writing process. So I want you to make sure that you read through these slides carefully. It gives you a reminder of your task and your prompt options, and then what steps to follow. So first, you need to pick your character from Beowulf. Then you need to find 2 clear, precise adjectives to describe your chosen character. So if you follow the links that are right here, it will give you describing words to describe a hero or a villain, okay? But make sure that you choose your adjectives wisely. You want to make sure you know what the word means specifically. Make sure your word applies to the character about whom you are writing, and make sure you can support the description with specific textual evidence from the passage we read from class. Okay? Because you need at least 2 specific brief quotes from the text. Then write your thesis statement. You can use these sentence starters to help you to develop a strong thesis statement for your essay. Then plan your essay. I put a very brief outline here to show you what you need to put in each portion of your essay. Then it's basically this. Start writing. Use the resources on the next slide as needed, but I suggest writing the body paragraphs first and then moving on to the introduction and conclusion, okay? Make sure you focus your writing with a clear thesis statement, and make sure your body paragraphs each have a strong topic sentence that ties back to the one part of the thesis statement. So first and second each names a specific trait. The third names either the character's motivation or the names a modern day figure that resembles the character, okay? Then thesis statements. A nice general explanation example, and these specific thesis ideas for this paper are in the slide before us. And then we have information about introductions, conclusions, hooks, attention grabbers, body paragraphs, and a big one here, revising your work. Okay? Double check your work, revise and edit. Look at the revising your work link from the previous slide. Double check that you've used proper MLA format, and make sure you give your work a nice title. And if you don't, if you struggle with titles, use the link. Check your work against the grading rubric, and the link is located on the assignment page for this. This slide also has helpful information on MLA formatting, so if you're struggling with that, make sure you follow those resources. If you have any questions at all about this assignment, don't hesitate to ask. Make sure you take the time each day to develop your essay. Thank you so much, and have a nice day.